The clitorati. You've seen them, strutting around all sparkling and sheen, showing off their shaven pubes like a teenage boy's dream. Just pushed out a baby and no sign of a belly, making us all feel like we're fat and heavy. Unrealistic expectations, unhealthy fascinations. Where are my clito-retro sisters? Where are my sisters of au naturel, the sexiness of self-acceptance, she? The clitorati. Just pushed out a baby from their vag and already on TikTok uploading photos with hashtags. Hashtag bougie. Hashtag 1 month back from the gym, already got a baby. Hashtag no belly, back to size 8. Hashtag pelvic floor as strong as a dinner plate. Untag, you unnatural hag, making all feel like we're fat, hairy bags of milk, walking cows, pelvic floor in drags. Vajayjay, Vajiji, Vidazzle and Razzle. What is all this postpartum insta-razzle? The clitorati. A veritable vagina Maserati. All appearance, but no substance. Fast, furious and slick, but under the bonnet, no room for a dick. Where are you, my clito-retro sisters? Where are we? I ask you, let's stand up. Call for this. We need you. The clitorati. Always talking about me. Mira mi culo, mis nalgas, mi figura perfecta. Clitorati, estamos hasta el coño de ti. Where is the real we? You naughty, Scotty, drafty, squatty, in your face, on your face, clammy, squeezy, oozy, oh me wheezy. Where are we? My downright natural. Stand with me, the clitorati. The new clitorati.